Hi students, here we are going to illustrate VBT theory with few complexes. Here we are going to see that is in the complex central metal atom and its outer electronic configuration, then outer orbitals of metals, nature of ligand, outer orbitals of metal atom, hybridization, hybridized orbitals of the metal, geometry, magnetic property and magnetic momentum. These are the things we are going to see now. Now we have taken the complex that is NiCO4. In NiCO4, which is the central metal atom and its outer electronic configuration, the atomic number of nickel is 28 and their electronic configuration is, the outer is argon. Argon is 16, the nearest noble gas. Then the outer electronic configuration is 3d8 4s2. The second one, outer orbitals of metal atom. Now we are going to see here 3d8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 4s2, 1, 2. Next, nature of ligand. Which is the nature of ligand? Here this CO is strong field ligand. Already we have seen in which postulate? That is the postulate. In postulate 9 we have seen that this COCN minus ENNH3, these are cross pairing. Therefore this is a strong field ligand we have seen. So therefore this CO is strong field ligand causing pairing of 4s electron in the metal. Next, outer orbitals of metal atom are ions in presence of ligand. We saw now this CO is strong field, therefore it is causing to pairing. So the 4s2 la irukla the rendu electron, it will come here and pair. So already we have 3d8 and 4s2. So இது strong field ligand இருக்கிறதுனால the 4s2 ல உள்ள இந்த ரெண்டு electron will come here and pair here. Next, hybridization. What is the coordination number here? The coordination number here is 4. You see, CO4. So therefore the coordination number is 4. Children, you see, when the coordination number is 4, what hybridization will take place? When the coordination number is 4, sp3 hybridization, it is tetrahedral. Okay, what is the hybridization here? sp3. So therefore it is what is the geometry? Geometry will be tetrahedral. Okay, now next one is hybridized orbitals of the metal atom in the complex. So now we are going to write the hybridized. Now how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have a 10 hybridized. So the 4s2, the strong field இருக்கிறதுனால this cause pairing, so 4s2 உள்ள ஒரு 2 will come here, so we will get 3d10. And the hybridized coordination number is 4, so in 4 orbitals the hybridization will take place. So இந்த ஒரு s ஆர்பிட்டலும் இந்த 3 ஆர்பிட்டல் இந்த 4 ஆர்பிட்டல்ஸ்லையும் hybridization will take place. Okay, now you see next one, geometry over. Next one is magnetic property. So number of unpaired electrons. Children, do you find here any number of unpaired electron? No, this is all paired electron. So number of unpaired electron is 0. Hence it is when there is no unpaired electron, hence it is a diamagnetic. Okay, next we shall see magnetic moment, that is using spin only formula. So nu s, this is the formula for using spin only formula. Now since unpaired electron is 0, and we shall see the, we have learned earlier that this is the formula, so we have a 0 here. So therefore 0 nu s, it is diamagnetic. N is 0, 0 plus 2, so 0 nu, it is a diamagnetic. So once again we shall repeat this. So central metal atom, its outer electronic configuration is 3d8 4s2. Next this is a strong field. அது strong field இருக்கிறதுனால it causes pairing. So இங்கே உள்ளது it will pair up. So therefore we will get 3d10 4s0. So since it is coordinate number is 4, hybridization is sp3. So s ல இருந்து ஒரு ஆர்பிட்டலும் p ல இருந்து 3 ஆர்பிட்டலும் will hybridize. So since it is 4, it is tetrahedral, so number of unpaired electron is 0, therefore it is diamagnetic. The magnetic moment is nu s equal to n plus 2 equal to nu is 0 here. So now we shall see the next example, second example for this. See the examples too. We have taken the complex, that is nickel Cn4 4 minus. What is the atomic number of nickel? Atomic number of nickel is 28, and there are therefore argon 3d8 4s2. Now you see this is the outer electronic configuration. So here nickel is 2 plus, so therefore the 2 electrons will be removed. 4s, it will become 4s0 here. So Ni 2 plus ங்கிறதுனால 2 electrons will be taken away, so here we will get 4s0. Now Cn is strong field, therefore it is cause pairing, so this electron will move to here, So this will become pairing and it keeps one orbital empty, vacant for the hybridization. So the coordination number is 4. Therefore it keeps 4 orbitals for hybridization. Which are the 4 orbitals? Here from D 1 orbital, from S 1 orbital, from P 2 orbitals. Therefore D S P 2 hybridization. When it is a D S P 2 hybridization, it is a square planar. Now this getting hybridized here and number of unpaired electron is 0, hence it is diamagnetic. Now we shall move to the third example. The third example is FeCN6 3 minus. What is the electronic configuration? Atomic number is number and electronic configuration is argon 3d6 4s2, and you see the ferrous ion charge for ferrous is 3. So from here 2 electron and from here 1 electron. So therefore we will have 3d5 4s0. So 3d5 1 2 3 4 5 and 4s0. And this is a strong field, therefore it causes pairing. So this here 2, here 2, here 1. So 1 unpaired electron is here. See, out of 5, when it started pairing, 1, 4, 5. So their coordination number is 6, therefore it is 6. When its coordination number is 6, what type of hybridization will take place? So here 2 vacant orbitals are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D2 S P2, D2 S P3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coordination is number is 6. So D2 S P3 hybridization is taking place. So 6 orbitals are getting hybridized here. Now see, 1 unpaired electron is there. So therefore it is number of unpaired electron is 1, therefore it is paramagnetic. Thus its nu S is 1. So when it is 1, this is the value for the nu 1. Next we shall see another example, that is we have taken COF6. So what is the electronic configuration for this? That is atomic number 27, argon 3d7 4s2. So what is the charge for this? 3. So from here 2 electron and from here 1 electron will be taken away. Thus we will be having 3d6 4s0. So 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. And what is the nature of the ligand? That is F minus. F is a weak field ligand. So it remains as it is. So coordination number is 6. When it is 6, what hybridization is taking place? It's not pairing. So here there is no vacant orbital. So S P3 D2. So S la 1, P la 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6, D la 2. So S P3 D2 hybridization is taking place. When it is, so therefore it is octahedral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are getting hybridized. So how many number of unpaired electron is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 number of unpaired electron is there, thus it is paramagnetic, and its nu s is here 4, root 4, 4 plus 2. So therefore we are getting the value of 4 is 4.899 bm.